AI models are getting smarter every single day. But here's the secret. They only give you great answers if you ask them great questions. Today, I'll show you the RICECO Framework. 6 simple steps to transform how you work, create, and think with AI. Role, instruction, context, examples, constraints, and output. Let's break it down. The first step is role. Assigning a role is like flipping a switch. It changes the AI's tone, perspective, and detail. Ask, give me sleep tips, and you'll get a generic answer. But ask, you are a board certified sleep doctor, give me sleep tips, and you'll get evidence-based advice. Or you are a parent writing to other parents, give me sleep tips, and you'll get emotional, relatable advice. Same task, completely different responses, because the role changes everything. Instruction is the heart of your prompt. This is the job you want the AI to do. A common mistake? People often keep their instructions way too vague. Write me a YouTube short script about prompting tips is weak. A stronger instruction is write a 60-second YouTube short script about prompting tips, using a curiosity gap hook and a scroll-stopping visual anchor. Clear instructions equal clear results. Next is context. This is where most people go wrong. Context tells the AI who it's writing for, where it will be used, and why it matters. Write a blog about AI video tools is too generic. Write a blog about AI video tools for small business owners who want to turn podcasts into YouTube shorts, explained in simple terms. Now it's relevant and practical. Context makes the difference between generic content and content that truly connects. Examples are powerful shortcuts. This is called few shot prompting. Show the AI a sample and it will match the tone, style, and structure. Just paste your old newsletter and say, write a new one in the same style. The AI doesn't guess anymore. It follows your example. One good example can save hours of editing. Constraints tighten everything up. They are the rules you want the AI to follow. For example, tell it, keep it under 100 words, avoid buzzwords like innovative or cutting edge, or use a warm, conversational tone. These boundaries stop the AI from being vague, repetitive, or too wordy. Constraints save you time and give you control. Finally, output format. This step makes your result clean and usable. Instead of asking for a wall of text, ask for a table, bullet points, JSON, or a checklist. Instead of compare 3 tools, ask, give me a 3-column table with tool, features, and use case. Now your result is organized and easy to use. That's the RICECO framework. Role, instruction, context, examples, constraints, and output. Start with just ICC, instruction, context, and constraints, and you'll already get 80% better results from AI. Remember, smarter prompts lead to smarter answers. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel for more practical AI frameworks and guides. Let's learn AI the smart way together.